you get there.
If you get it, if you hit them, man, they'll fucking blast you even when you're fucking walking away.
Here, you're the man for the job. That's what I was told.
Stick it in your back. Come here and just stay in their corner.
Remember, pull in the hole.
What fun is that, dude?
Yeah, you guys like telling me, what game you play?
That motherfucker's hard ass. He fucking hard ass. He got a sniper. There's another one straight back. Straight back.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna hit this building. I got three. Three. Yo, three of them right here. Ooh. As soon as I spawn bump, we're gonna push this trench. Straight ahead of you, straight ahead of you. Fucking hey, dude.
DMR kid. He's a little bit that way. You want to hit him.
Yeah, he's on the corner. They got him. Locked down.
Oh, I see two of them.
Watch out. There's someone over here that hit me twice. I got no clue where he's at. Ooh, that fucking hit the tree.
There's one behind the barrier.
Yeah, there's a dude to our left somewhere. You lay down cover fire and I'll run down on him. Jesus Christ. Yo, you got one on the left, yo? And you got one on the right.
DMR straight ahead of you.
Sniper, sniper, watch out, he's right there. Fuck, man. Yeah, he's out. I'm gonna draw fire to the left. You're lucky my shit dry fired. This guy's flanking you right here in the woods. He's running towards the berm. He's running towards the flag. He's right there. Nah.
So because there was somebody right here. I thought you up there trying to smack. I was like, yeah.
Too many people were trying to push.
Yeah.
Too many people were pushing that way. I was left over here by myself.
Yeah, as soon as my man got hit, I was wide open.
Yeah. I was
I
taking
tried
fire from this
switching to
way.
this, but switching to this, I got hit.
Should I grab the blue flag?
Yeah.
That sucked.
Yep. I hate that side, man. Side's no cover. I was pinned down between fucking. Whoa. Got DMR in the head twice, though. That makes me happy about my.
Yeah, I think we need
a
to
little bit happier.
we need to switch our strategy, man.
There was just too many pushed right, man.
Yeah, everybody.
Covering our flag.
Everybody went right. Only had one guy really defending. He was back on the berm. And then you came when you
I
were.
was there the whole time, but I just had to keep falling back because there were so many of them. I always had one on each side of me. I couldn't fucking defend.
Yeah, I got a vendetta. It's gonna get handled. Yeah, man, I was trying to stop him from pushing through the woods, but I started taking fire from two different sides. My fucking gun started dry firing.
I got one kill with it. That was it. This thing's dead on too, man.
Yo, this side's a lot better for you with the fucking sniper because you got all this wide open.
Right. Said I'm gonna lay down somewhere and just fucking aim at the pole.
Like shit.
Not enough protection on the flag.
Yeah. Really?
It's only 5 of us, so.
Oh man, 2 guys are down.
It's alright.
You want one of them?
No, we're not scared, Pete.
Yeah, no, we're good. We're good.
You guys are badass.
We're gonna win this time, Pete.
Shield team.
Germany kids going on. They probably died in the woods.
Probably still hiding.
Oh, yeah.
The last time I seen him, he was back at the spawn.
Oh, here it comes. Be over there consulting with the enemy. Hey, can I test shoot that thing?
Good.
Thanks, man.
Unless you pay for that. 30 round mag.
Whoever was in that trench is annoying as hell.
Oh, which one? The one right here?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's one right in the lip.
Mm.
Holy shit.
Hell yeah.
You can see it. out. Is that or? Yeah, it's out.
Happy?
Yep.
I got so what type of ammo does it take?
I'm gonna go with 6mm.
I mean, like, wait.
Looks like I'm doing this. Everybody got a speed loader on?
Yeah. Semi-automatic's better on this side of the map.
BBs though?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got BBs, I got everything, just the 20s.
You gotta move a lot more over here. I never had this much fun playing Airsoft with just a pistol. In general. It's just so much better than
Guys. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm hugging this side too, dude. Fuck that. Pistol. He's got a pistol. What? He's right there, yo. Underneath them steps. Straight ahead. Right there. Straight ahead. Right there. Under them steps. Tried to warn you, bud.
Yeah, no, I saw them. Just I was trying to get
He's coming around. I'm about to fuck him up. Don't worry. Whew. I got 2 pins! 2 pins! He's going, he's coming, he's coming. Yo, I got 2. Bang, bang. Oh. Bang, bang. You're out, kid. Yeah, I got you too. Bang, banged you. Flag side, flag side, flag side. Flag side. got a guy in the trench?
Got 3. One here, and then about 10 feet separated.
I'm gonna cut through this side.
I'm gonna work through the trench.
Flag horse over here too. Guy to the left.
Flag holder's 10.
They're trying to go offense or defense.
I don't know. Oh shit, they're right here, dude. Hey man, Jesus Christ, dude.
You scared the shit out of me.
That doesn't mean shit. 10 feet.
I got you.
Fucking Christ.
Sorry.
I'm busy creeping around the ring. You're gonna fuck me again, man. Trying your sniper, creeping up on us. Motherfuckers let you go and throw.
Bang bang's out for me. I'm shooting people now.
Wait, we lost?
Yeah.
I got to shoot 2 rounds.
I just got shot 2 feet away. Because I scared him.
He's the